privilege to be there, and Rishi Sunak will have to answer for his choice. For me, there was only one choice, which was to be there, to pay my respects, to say thank you.
And other political leaders have queued up to sound a jest too.
I think it's a truly breathtakingly terrible decision.
I think he brought shame on the office and on his party by leaving early. Quite the political backdrop to a stage like this. At 7:30 tonight, senior figures from 7 political parties debate live here on BBC One. It'll be sparky. Chris Mason, BBC News, on the campaign trail with the Prime Minister.
So what do voters think of the Prime Minister's decision to leave the D-Day ceremonies early and of the apology that followed? Danny Savage reports from Richmond in North Yorkshire, which Rishi Sunak represented as an MP since 2015.
Richmond, a town with centuries of military affiliation, and just down the road from Catterick Garrison, the British Army's biggest base. Are people generally aware of what happened yesterday with the Prime Minister leaving the D-Day commemorations early?
Of the 28 people we talked to, 5 knew nothing about it, but 23 certainly did. Now, being ex-army, I've got an opinion actually about most of them, but I think it's probably an honest mistake. He's got things to do back here. I think, I wouldn't have thought he'd done it most. Yeah, when they mentioned it.
He says he values veterans. He's been at lots of other events. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, sure.
It's an embarrassment for us and for the country. Personally, I do. I don't know what on earth advice he got.
He's apologised. Is that enough?
No, not for me.
As somebody who had a relative at Normandy, the Prime Minister's apologised. You're happy for them to move on?
Yes. You've got to move on. You can't stay and dwell on all these sorts of things. You've got to move on.
I think that, to put electioneering before an event like that is not fit and proper.
He's apologised and says how much he values veterans.
Well, if he felt like that, he should have stayed.
I've got no objections to what he did. I think he wanted to get back, obviously, and get on with the job in hand.
When you've got other dignitaries there, especially one of the most powerful, and he just leaves them.
Not aggressive.
Oh, definitely not. Being an ex-serviceman, definitely not.
This isn't about policy or pledges. This is about a moment during this campaign, and it's one that many people are talking about. Danny Savage, BBC News, Richmond.
Just to tell you, you'll be able to find a full list of all the candidates standing in the new seat of Richmond and North